Well, it's spring in Minnesota. It's like 28 degrees out today. And I'm going to replace my seats. Actually, I've already done one. This is my aluminum canoe that I got pretty cheap, 200 bucks, I think. And I'm just redoing some stuff on it. I replaced these straps yesterday, and it's kind of a fiddly job. And last week, I replaced the portage yoke. It wasn't even a yoke. It was just a aluminum bar like this, and it hurt to carry this time. And I'm going to replace these. Saw it online. This is an old Sears Canoe, I believe. Not real sure what it is. It predates having a hull identification number on it. There are no identifying markings on it. I know that Aerocraft makes one that looks like this, and I know Sears also put one out that looks like this. Another consideration I have is maybe lowering this seat. This one sits pretty high, and kind of makes everything a little wobbly when you paddle this one. So, yeah, all I have is a serial number. Doesn't really tell me anything else. Doesn't tell me a brand or anything like that. It just says 17 Canoe. All right. Yeah. So first things first, I gotta cut these off. I'm gonna do the ones that run perpendicular to the length of the canoe first, and then I'll do the ones. Excuse me. I'm going to do the ones that run perpendicular to the length, parallel to the length of the canoe first. And I'll do the longer ones that run perpendicular second. So it might be hard to see, but there's a clip here, and I'm just gonna use a piece of wood. You use a screwdriver. But I'm just gonna pull it out. Good video doing that, but that's what it looks like. And the little hook there, I don't know where it runs in a channel that's on the inside of this. So just like the other one, you probably can't see the channel, but there's a channel right there. And I thought I had saved one that was the right length, but I did not. So my length has to go wrap around both sides so that the clip is hidden. So I got to make sure that this is long enough to do that. I would likely have to trim this because getting the second clip on is kind of a challenge. So I got my first clip on, and just wrap this bad boy around like that. And then I gotta figure out where the second clip will go. I'm gonna pull that over. And I make a fold based on where this meets the back side of the strap, because it wraps around, and then I need my other clip, which I've strategically placed in a spot where I wouldn't lose it. Found it. Now this is going to be edited for time because this right here takes me a while, usually. I watched another guy do this on YouTube, and he did this way faster than I can. I don't know how he got his to come around and clip on here, because I also wanted to be taut, like, because these originally are pretty taut, so I want to make this taut, but I'm going to need to, oops, I'm going to need to pop this one off again. Yeah, and they just come right off. Need to give myself a little bit more length. Popped on, nice and taut. Now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more to do. And through the magic of editing, you'll just see the As the factory one, but I mean, it's gonna work when you sit in it. You're not gonna fall through. And I have plenty of strapping. If it breaks, I'll put in more. All right, cool.